The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Har Mee, known in Penang as Hokkien Mee and elsewhere in Malaysia as Har Meen or Heh Mee, is a prawn noodle soup that is arguably Penang's most beloved hawker delight, standing alongside char kway teow. Its roots reach back to Fujian, China, but the Malaysian version is richer, spicier, and far more generously topped than its Fujian ancestor Fujian Xia Mian. The soul of the dish is the broth, a cloudy, intensely prawny stock simmered slowly from shrimp heads and shells, married with pork ribs for body and depth. The signature orange-red color comes from a fried chili paste folded into the soup. Bowls are assembled with yellow noodles, bean sprouts, and water convolvulus, agi, then topped with sliced lean pork, halved prawns, crispy fried shallots, and pounded dried sole, and served with chili sambal on the side. For the stock, spar ribs 600 g as desired. Water 11 cups as desired, lean pork 300 g as desired, prawns 300 g as desired, dried sole 1 piece deboned as desired, salt 1 teaspoon as desired, light soy sauce 2 teaspoons as desired. For frying and flavoring, cooking oil 5 tablespoons as desired, shallots 1/2 cup sliced as desired, ground chili 1 tablespoon as desired. For the bowls, bean sprouts 150 g tailed as desired, yellow noodles 500 g as desired. Water convolvulus 300 g plucked to 5 cm lengths as desired. To garnish, crispy fried shallots W as desired, pounded dried sole as desired. Chili sambal to serve as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps: 1. Make the pork and prawn stock. Place the spare ribs in a large pot with 8 cups of water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add the lean pork. When the liquid returns to a boil, lower the heat and let the stock simmer gently for 1.5 hours. After the first 1/2 hour, lift out the lean pork and set it aside to cool. It will be sliced later. Removing it early keeps it tender. Leave the spare ribs to continue simmering for the full 1.5 hours so the bones release their richness into the broth. Cook the prawns and enrich the stock. Bring the stock back to a boil and add the whole prawns. They will be cooked through in about 3 minutes. Remove them immediately and shell them. Have each shelled prawn lengthwise and set aside. Return the prawn shells to the stock, along with the bones of the deboned dried sole, and simmer for another 30 minutes so the shells infuse the broth with prawn flavor. Strain the stock through a sieve, discarding the shells and bones, then return the clear stock to the heat and bring it back to a boil. Season to taste with the salt and light soy sauce. Pro tip: for an even fuller flavored soup, pound the prawn shells, place them in a sieve set over a bowl with a little water, and rub as much of the pounded shell through as possible. Add this liquid back to the soup to thicken and enrich it. Note that some find this too fishy. Add to taste. Fry the shallots and dried sole. Heat the cooking oil in a pan and brown the sliced shallots until golden and crispy. Remove them with a slotted spoon to a small bowl. These crispy shallots are a key garnish. In the same oil, fry the deboned dried sole over a slow fire until brown and crisp. Remove, let cool, and pound until fine. This powdered sole adds a savory umami crunch sprinkled over the finished bowls. 4. Fry the chili paste and coat the prawns. Mix the ground chili with just enough water to form a paste. Fry this paste in the same oil until the chili darkens and turns fragrant. This is what gives the broth its signature color and heat. Remove the fried chili to a small dish. In the same pan, briefly fry the halved prawns for about 2 minutes until they curl up and are evenly coated with the chili oil. Set aside. 5. Blanch the vegetables and noodles. Boil the remaining 3 cups of water. Scald the bean sprouts briefly, then drain well. Blanch the yellow noodles until hot and loosened, then drain. Finally, blanch the water convolvulus lightly so it stays crisp and green. Cooking steps. 1. Layer the bowls. Divide and place the bean sprouts, water convolvulus, yellow noodles, sliced lean pork, and chili-coated prawns into 4-6 serving bowls in roughly that order. The vegetables and noodles form the base, the pork and prawns sit on top. Ladle the hot soup. Bring the strained, seasoned stock to a vigorous boil. Ladle the hot prawn pork soup generously over the noodles and toppings in each bowl. 3. Garnish. Sprinkle each bowl with the pounded dried sole and a generous handful of crispy fried shallots. Serve. Serve immediately with chili sambal on the side so each diner can adjust the heat to taste. Add a spoonful of the fried chili paste to the soup for extra color and spice if desired.